Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Video will show you how to fix high RAM and CPU usage in Google Chrome. So let's get started. Is your Chrome eating up all your RAM? I will help you out how to fix it. So first of all, open your profile. Then you have to disable unnecessary extensions. For doing that, in the search you have to type Chrome um, colon // and extensions. As you can see on the top here, it will show Chrome's extension page and disable the unused extensions. Now, next, disable or remove unused extension as I have already removed. It will show you a list of your all the current extension on your Google Chrome browser. Just click on here to remove them, and it will directly uninstall from your web browser, and it will help you in the speed running of Google Chrome. Now, the next option is use Google Chrome Task Manager to kill heavy process. Now for it, I will show you on the screen. You have to press Shift plus Shift plus Escape key to do this. So directly press Shift plus Escape. Now it will open Google Chrome Task Manager, and you you can go to there and just delete all the processes, and it will help you to run your Chrome browser fast, and it will fix high RAM and CPU usage. Now, coming back to our next option, you have to enable hardware acceleration. For enabling it, uh, go to settings. As you can see the top three dot here. Let me, okay. Go to settings. Then you have to move to settings here, as you can see here. Now, go to advanced, search for advanced. Hmm, where it is? Okay, you can directly search from here. Type advanced system, and you have to turn on hardware acceleration. Okay, so I will directly type hardware acceleration where it is. Okay, so you have to search acceleration, and you will get this use graphics acceleration when available, and you have to turn it on and relaunch your Chrome browser, and it will help you out. Now you have to clear cache in browsing data. For it, you have to press the keys which I'm showing on your screen. You have to press Control plus Shift plus Delete, and it will clear all your cache and browsing data which is not necessarily needed. Then, uh, okay, and the last option is Enable Memory Saver Mode. For performing it, you have to type Chrome column settings. Now type slash and go to performance and press the enter key. Now, as you can see here, uh, just enable memory saver. As you can see this here, memory saver, it will freeze up memory from inactive tabs, and it's a very useful feature. And that's it, guys. I hope trying these steps will fix your Chrome and should run faster and smoother. I found if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.